Hey, so a lot of people ask, what's it like behind the scenes? How do you get ready for the closing beat? That show that we do at 5 o'clock every day on YouTube. I know you're watching, right? And you subscribe? It's all good? Well, so today I thought I would go through and show you what's it take to set up the show so you can kind of see behind the scenes. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing is, you gotta look good, right? So first thing we gotta do, get the hair right, or at least what's left of my hair anyways, so start there. Well, in reality, it already looks good today, so we'll just move on. We'll go over the rest of it. So first, we go over here, we gotta turn on the lights. So we're gonna go all the way back here. We've got there's 2 sets of lights for the studio, and it's normally lit up and everything. The computers are already on. So I've gotta go back here and turn on the lights, but you're not allowed back here. It's kind of like the secret wall. So you stay there, I'll go around, turn them on. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we turn the first one on. And then we go over here and turn on the second one. And, looks good, right? So if the markets are down for the day, then the lights are red, and obviously if the markets are up, they turn green. And so that's kind of the studio setup as it is. We've got our work computers there. Nobody's here today, and that's where I normally sit during the day. I actually work there during the day. But that's basically the start, and so now, before the show starts, gotta get the computer ready, get the camera set up. Let's do that. So this is where you guys see me, right? When the camera's there, you're looking here. And behind this is actually the speakeasy. You'll see that in a second. But this is actually where I stand. Got a little light making me look as good as possible anyways. And the studio is all lit up, ready to go. So when you're watching me, this is what I see. So this is the flip side. If you were around the back side of me, the studio's over there. This is where we actually make it happen. This is the whole production thing, the charts that we have here, the streaming software, and it has all the clips. And when I mess up and I press something, it always goes, that's what that part is. But you would be looking at me from this way, and over there you can actually see the speakeasy. That's where we do our Thursday night classes, but for the moment, this is how it works. This is the class. I hope you'll join us, 5 o'clock. The show actually starts here in just a few minutes, so I gotta go, but thanks for taking a tour.